Hey guys, so if you're hiring a company to trim the plants and bushes at your house or around your property, one of the things to ask them or to make sure they're doing is sharpening their hedge trimmers. I've got a set right here. We um, we actually sharpen these multiple times throughout the week. They will go dull pretty quick. So you want to make sure that they are sharpening them often. And what this will do will make sure you have a clean cut on all of your plants, and that will help reduce disease and insect pressure on your plants. When we have a really bad kind of tear or gnarly looking cut, it does cause more stress and damage on the plant, which in return they're more susceptible to disease and insects that may attack that plant. So we want them to be as healthy as possible so they naturally will defend off any predators that are coming for them. So just make sure, like I said, we sharpen ours multiple times during the week. We have a whole bunch of them, so we keep them rotated and sharp all the time to make sure we don't have that issue. And if y'all have any questions, just let us know. Thanks a lot.